Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping in for just a minute. This video is a little different. This is sort of an introduction to a group build that I'm taking part in. There's several content creators that came up with the idea to have a group build between us. I was invited to do it. There was not really any rules in the group build, except there was one. It has to be an AMT 1940 Ford. Could be the coupe, sedan delivery. Also it has time limits. The rules are that the build starts today. We have to have our introduction video, which I'm doing right now. Today's September 15th. And the build ends on January the 15th. So quite a bit of time to get that done. My submission for the build, and this is what this video is all about, is this 40 Ford sedan delivery. I've got a couple of these. I got this one recently from Hobby Nut Models. Mark sent me this one over. Go over to Hobby Nut Models if you hadn't already. Link in the description, and check out Mark's inventory. He's got quite a few older kits he just put on his inventory. Go check him out. But this is going to be my submission. I'm not a big customizer. I'm not a big, I'm pretty much out of the box except for maybe some plug wires or something. But on this one, I think that I might do a little extra. I don't know. And you guys, fortunately, will be able to come along with me on this ride. It won't be a long, this will be just more or less an update videos. Not necessarily like I'm going to build it on camera like I do some of the others. Probably be just update, hey, here's what I've done. Maybe. I haven't made my mind up yet. And we're free to do whatever we want to. It's not a judging contest. It's just us guys, content creators, coming together, building, having fun. However, what's neat about this deal is in the description below, I'm going to link the other content creators that are in this build. So you can then go and link to their page, sub to them, and also watch their updates throughout this journey, this build journey that we're going to take. I know Lucas C., Mark Batson, Tim over at Throttle Power, and there's several other guys that are taking, BG, they're taking part in this build, and there's others that I've left out. But we're all going to do it together, collectively, sort of, on our own channels. And you guys can follow along and watch those builds. But anyway, just want to introduce this guy. This is him. Sedan delivery 1940. It's a pretty cool little kit. I've got two of them. So I've got that OCD. I can't build unless I've got more than one, because I've got to keep one on the shelf. So I managed to snag another. And I actually have the re-release that round 2 released recently with the Coca-Cola edition. But I think I'm going to hang on to that one. That one's got Coke on it. So maybe Coke is maybe the Coke wouldn't be worth a lot of money one day. My kids could cash it in, since I don't have much of a retirement. My retirement's sitting behind me. It's all around me around here. So anyway, this is my submission. Guys, don't forget to go check those other links. Go and join my Facebook group. We're also over there having a group build on our Facebook, on my Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook. So there's a build going on over there. You can go join that one. But this one is amongst us content creators, and just wanted to let you know what you're going to be seeing. And so the next video on this will be me opening it up, maybe have some progress done to it, and some ideas of which direction I'm going to go. Go check out those other guys. Link in the description. Talk to you later, and see ya on the next video.